Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 error code. All cameras are reserved. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your privacy and security, scroll down and find out a camera. Go to your camera and make sure that camera access is turned on, as well as let's app access your camera is turned off. After doing this chat, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if a problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your app section. After doing this that, go to your apps and features. After doing this that, search the app camera. Click on these three dots, go to your advanced options, scroll down. First of all, click on repair, and after that, reset. After completing that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you are going to device manager and update the camera driver. After doing this that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.